How to turn off the long press of your power button that gives you access to either the digital assistant or the Mi AI assistant. This is the Redmi Note 15 Pro phone. To turn this off, use the quick access and you'll tap on the settings toggle right here. Once in this area here, you're going to go down until you see additional settings right here. Now that you're here, you're going to look for gesture shortcuts. And you'll see Launch Digital Assistant. So depending on your model, if you have the Chinese ROM, you will see Mi AI. And if you have the global version, you'll have Launch Digital Assistant. They would both be in the same area. And then once you're here now, you will see this option here. So turning this off will disable the press and hold of your button here to launch the assistant. And of course, if this guide helped, do hit that like and subscribe.